Hello everyone. To ensure our system is plug and play with in customer side, we connect the motor with the electric axle, and the electric axle it is integrated with the motor gearbox differential and the customized rear axle. And we also connect with all the necessary components like the integrated controller, the motor controller, and all the necessary components to do the drive testing. So we also have all the battery connected. And now the low voltage power is on. So I need to put the high voltage on. So I switch the ignition gear to start. And we can see in our VCU software, because the dashboard is not connected, we use the computer to use as a dashboard. So we see now it's in ready. And this is the handbrake switch, and this is the foot brake switch. Now I step the foot brake is on, the handbrake is on, and I switch to D gear. We also can see in our computer now it's D gear. And I use my hand, step on the accessory pedal. Let's see if the electric axle runs. Before it runs, I need to take off the handbrake first, and also off the foot brake. And slowly I step on the accelerator. We can see the electric axle is running towards me. It's in the right direction. We also can see in our dashboard, computer dashboard is running. Okay, this is the forward direction. We can see the motor is the wheel is going in this direction. And now we are going to do the reverse gear testing. I step on the pull the handbrake on, and I step on the foot brake, and I switch to neutral gear first. Now it's neutral, and then I go to rear gear, and I pull off my handbrake and also release the foot brake. So let's see, I step on the accelerator. So we can see the wheel is going the opposite direction. Let's look closer. So we can see the wheel is going backward. Also, in the dashboard, we can see the speed, and everything is normal. The axle is consuming the current of the battery packs. Okay, then we go to, we pull on the handbrake, we also pull on the foot brake, and we go to neutral, and we're going to finish all the testing, and everything was very good, and it's our standard system of READ4200Z electric exhaust system. Thank you for your watching.